Let's compare these 4 different laundry baskets. That way you can see which one works best for you and your needs. First up, we have the Alfuki laundry basket. It can hold up to 60 liters. It is great if you need something that is going to be tall and slim and fit in a small space. The material on the outside is waterproof and it is on wheels and has this mesh cover at the top as well. Great for a college dorm room, a kid's bedroom, a bathroom, anywhere where you need a small space laundry hamper. It does have handles so that way you can easily lift it up and take it to where you need to do laundry as well. But the wheels on the bottom make it nice so that way you can easily move it around the area that you need to move it. Next up, we have the IE Grow laundry hamper. This is a little bit taller. It can fit up to 110 liters. The material on the outside is very, very well made, waterproof, has this lid, and it has a removable bag as well that just Velcros in. It is super easy to use and is very, very stable. This is in my opinion, a little bit nicer than the other one looking wise. It has a little bit of a more classier look and is a great laundry hamper as well and can fit into a small space. Next up, we have the Lifewood. It is a double laundry hamper, but in my opinion, the material on the outside is not as well made. It is waterproof, but it's a little bit more flimsy. The bags are detachable. That way you can take them and go, but they do kind of fall in very easily. There's not a good way to attach them except for the one corner. But it is good if you need something that is going to be foldable, as this laundry basket is collapsible and can fit up to 136 liters in it as well. It also has a lid that closes it on top, and it comes in different colors just like the other ones as well. Lastly, we have the Song Mike's laundry hamper. So this can fit up to 160 liters. It is by far the biggest, and it is the nicest looking in my opinion with this rattan design. It does have wheels. It has this removable linen separator in it, which gives you 3 different sections. That way you can easily separate out what you need laundry wise. It has a little hanging basket on the side, and it is extremely well made. This is going to be the nicest looking if you want something that looks more like furniture in your house rather than a laundry basket and want something that is going to be a nice design. This is going to be the one for you. With the wheels, it is easily movable around as well.